Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about the spell checker and thesaurus in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Spelling can be found under the Edit menu, but make sure to click into your text first. If you're using the shortcut, remember to hold down the Shift key too, or you'll get an emoji pop-up. You can also access it by right-clicking in the text. The spell checker looks much like those in other applications. It will highlight what it sees as errors and give you suggestions if it has any. You can also ignore suggestions and add to your dictionary. The disadvantage, of course, is that you can only do one text document at a time. However, as Scrivener does automatically underline potential errors, you can simply look for these and right-click for the options. When it comes to the thesaurus, Scrivener has a related words function, accessed easily by a right-click in the text. But you won't get this for all words. In terms of an actual thesaurus, it gives you a link to thesaurus.com and also to various other word-related resources to help you define a word. This may be of limited use, especially if you're trying to keep off the internet whilst writing, but at least it goes straight to the word you're looking up. Perhaps do this on an editing pass if you want to use it. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.